Spy face.
Today we're at Hershey Park.
Shut up. We're about to go on the chocolate tour ride. Hopefully you guys can see it.
Is this a flattering angle?
What?
Is this a flattering angle?
What? I can't hear you. It's too loud. It smells so delicious.
It's almost like they use smellitizers.
I know, right? Wee. Looks so fun. Which color card do you think we get?
Probably the Reese's color, the orange.
Yeah. I mean, it would be nice if we got the silver car. Hello. Two.
Can I take these two?
Yay. This is...
Got the silver car, Hershey.
Yay.
Kisses. English.
I think it's only in English anyway. We're on the ride.
A truly global family. Here we are.
Spaceshipper.
Hey everyone, welcome aboard the Hershey's Chocolate Factory Tour.
Creepy.
For your safety, please remain seated with your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Your guide will meet you at the entrance. See you inside.
Hi folks, welcome to our dairy.
Her name's Derry. Taste the love of the milk. Oh, come here.
His mouth didn't move.
Oh, Brian, look, you can see us.
Oh.
Oh, we're up there now. See all the factories?
Hi, my name is Alex. I'm a quality supervisor here at the Hershey Chocolate Factory.
Hi, Alex.
I was asked to be your guide today, and I can't wait to show you around.
Oh no.
Everyone ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
Please stop.
Emergency stop.
Show them the cocoa beans.
Cocoa beans.
It all starts with cocoa beans, which are harvested and shipped to us from tropical regions around the world. We send the cocoa beans through large cleaning machines that screen and thoroughly remove unwanted parts like pulp and bits of cacao pod.
Emergency exit.
Our cocoa experts carefully select, sort, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts
It's from
to
Ecuador
achieve that
and
unique
West Africa.
and consistent Hershey's flavor.
Oh no, we're going into the roasting room.
Roasted. Roasting.
Roast me. What if we just stopped in the roasting room?
It's hot in here. We're getting roasted. That's just a projector.
I know, right?
I guess that's what's happening inside.
Yeah. Milling.
We've been roasted.
This is the milling room. And this is the pressing room.
They're making a giant Hershey bar.
Hey everyone! Below me are milling machines which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we'll use later on in the process.
Cows.
Every day, shining tanker trucks pick up milk from local farms and line up outside our factory for delivery. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinctive taste. Part of my job is to make sure all of that milk meets our high quality standards. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks.
Delicious.
We pasteurize and condense the sweetened milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious little pieces.
That's not milk.
Augustus Gloop, don't fall.
Augustus Gloop, don't fall.
These ride cars are exactly like Figment.
I know, right?
I wonder if that's actually chocolate that they're putting through that. I think it's actually a brown tube with water going down.
Yeah.
The trying to simplicity of Hershey's authenticity.
Same.
We dry the chocolate crumb into a coarse powder. Then we mix in the cocoa butter we pressed out earlier and add a dash of vanilla. This brings out the chocolate's rich taste
We don't
and
care,
creamy
Alex.
texture, and of course that wonderful smell. We feed the chocolate crumb through steel rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Here's our friend Kiss to explain the next step in the process.
Hi everybody! These conching machines use big granite rollers to smooth and transform refined crumb into milk chocolate.
Go away, you're scaring me.
The process mixes and heats the chocolate, developing a rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers smooth out the refined crumb.
Molding.
I don't want mold on my chocolate.
Neither do I.
After conching, we temper the milk chocolate, heating and cooling it to just the
that a
right
threat?
texture and consistency.
I feel very
During
attacked.
tempering, we can mix in other
Uh-oh.
ingredients such as roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a bumpy conveyor ride.
That doesn't
Then we
look
send the
bumpy.
molds through
No, it
cooling
doesn't.
tunnels that solidify the chocolate.
Wait, Maggie, they demold it. I know, right?
All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
they're scaring me.
Is that actually a Hershey bar though that they're wrapping?
No. Actually, maybe.
Everyone has a favorite. Mine are Hershey's Kisses chocolates.
Like Hershey's milk chocolate, special dark.
You're scaring me.
Don't forget about Reese's peanut butter cups. My personal favorite.
If you listen,
Aw, thanks Alex. That's so sweet.
Alex didn't say anything.
I know, right? low-key want to get out of the car and take one.
To see if it's actually. Oh no, I'm taking pictures.
Oh no, I don't want my picture taken. No, don't.
What should we do? Dab?
No.
No, we don't. We look ugly.
Everybody say Hershey's.
No.
Okay, gang, time to go share some goodness.
Oh, there.
What?
Well, I thought I saw us, but
I also think from Instagram.
yeah, I think they are.
You have to wear a beard net when we make our own Hershey
I know.
bars.
I do. Yeah. Sure, you're hurt, Maggie. Please wait for an assistant to assist you. Attendance.
Well, now you know the hard work, pride, and joy that
No, I
goes
don't.
into making every piece of Hershey's goodness.
Come visit us again soon.
Please remain seated until the door opens and watch your step onto the moving
I know,
platform.
right?
And enjoy the rest of your day here at Hershey's Chocolate World. So long, everyone. Thanks for coming.
Bye.
Bye.